भैया बेटा son darling lover, let us not pretend, let us not act right from this moment. Let us live in every action, let us live in every thought, let us live in every word, and let us focus and prove our life that what it is meant for. Really, you're superb man. When I was speaking in the other session, my tongue edge at the back of the throat, it was ruptured and blood came out of that rupture. And I told your beloved Dean, Sir, Raghu Sir, I can't speak another session. He told and he requested, sir, please, they are having exams right from 4th. Your talk and your words may inspire them. Okay, one thing I thought in my mind, okay, this wound can be treated later, but the wounds of my beloved 800 sons, where they are bearing in their hearts right from several years, can't be wiped out, can't be treated if I don't go there, because it is not their work, it is God's work. And I came here and I have been speaking to you all. So what is needed? The first friend of us, can we do it? Yes, shall we do? Yes, from tomorrow? Yes, Dad. From today? Yes. No, Dad. From this moment. You want to go to shit? Go focus fully. You want to urinate? Do it focus fully. Yes, do everything with focus. That will become penance, yajna, tapas. It will become tapas. It will become penance if you do anything with utmost focus. The study which you study, the book which you read, the words which you spell, the thoughts which come to your mind, if you focus on that, it is not a work, it is called penance. What is it called? A tapas. Tap kar rahe hain. Tapas. It is called tapassu in Telugu. I don't know what it is called in Hindi. Okay. So the study is not a study, it is a yajna. It is a, tell me, it is yajnam. Do you know that yajnam? The priests will do, they'll put some fire, yajna, yagam, yajnam. Yes, while doing that yajnam, the priest or the swami or the rushi will sit near the yajnam, and they call a piece of food, it is called samidha. What do they call? Samidha. What do they call? They will put it in the ghee, and it is called havisu. They will put it in the fire. Every moment of is a samidha. Every thought of is a samidha. Every act of is a samidha. We should put it in the ghee. We should put it in the, what is that it called? The ghee is nothing but love. We must add the fragrance of love. We must add the ghee of love to that samidha, that thought, that word, that deed. When we should put it in that yajna. That is what life is, an yajna. Then whatever that will become yajnam, and you will get the 100% fruitful result in your life.
Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box, and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.